up, YouTubers, foodies? It's me. I'm back. Today, you know who I am. The movement, eat healthy, live longer. Eat healthy, live longer. You want to feel good at work, want to feel good with your family, you got to eat healthy. Here we go. Today, what I have going is a vegetarian stir fry. Very simple, very affordable, easy to make. Here we go. I got a hot pan, like I stated in many videos before. If sauteing food, vegetables, meat, whatever the item, start with a hot pan. We're going to start with a hot pan. I'm going to put some oil here. It's a little sesame oil. Oh, I smell it. Smells so good. But remember, when using sesame oil can be a little bit overpowering. Sometimes what I do with sesame oil, I'll cut it just a little bit with some canola oil. Olive oil is kind of out of the picture. So we got a hot pan here. Oh yeah, so we're going to start. Now, one thing to remember when you're cooking vegetables at home, you got to think about cooking timing. You know what I'm saying? A raw carrot's not going to cook the same as spinach or, say, asparagus, whatever it may be. I have broccoli here, but what I did with the broccoli, I blanched it. Just blanch means just par cooking it, bring water up to the boil with seasoning, put it in there for a few seconds, take it out, let it chill. So the way we're going to do that, we're going to start with the peppers. We're going to start with some peppers. Oh, yeah, listen to that. Listen to that. Listen to that sizzle. I have some yellow and green squash here. I'm going to cut this up. We're going to cut this up like this. Yep, we're going to slice. And remember this. That's one of my four go-to. You know, all you need is four to go to, because if you're happy, your food's going to be happy. A happy cook makes happy food. But anyway, you got the sizzle there. Got the peppers. We're going to go with the yellow and green squash. Drop that in. Oh, man, this is going to be so great. This is going to be very healthy. There we go. Kick that height. Kick that flame up a little bit. We're going to add a little salt and pepper. When adding your seasoning, add it from a high amount. Don't go right in. Just put it in the fingertips and let it, just let it do what it do. We'll have the spinach we'll add last. We're going to let that go. And when I do like vegetarian stir fries or anything, I don't like to cook the vegetables too much. So we're going to just let that go. Next, we're going to add the broccoli. And like I told you, the broccoli was par cooked. It was blanched. So by the time the squash is good, the broccoli will be good. You don't want like hard broccoli, or you don't want overcooked broccoli. So we're going to add that. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice color contrast, very good, very good. Eat healthy, live longer, remember that. While I'm saying that, remember, Urban Chef, I can be contacted for events, caterings, anything. Remember, with my videos, I read you guys' comments, I enjoy all that type of stuff. Remember to like and share. Please like and share with your friends, family, pass the word. Eat healthy, live longer, it's a movement. Here we go. We're gonna add the garlic. Now, if you add the garlic too soon, it's going to burn. We're going to add that. We're going to make this a little sauce right in the pan. I got brown sugar. Oh, yeah. We're going to add the brown sugar. You're going to be like, oh, you're going to make this sweet? No, we're not going to make it sweet, but we're going to add some soy sauce, which is a little bitter and salty. We're going to add that. Oh, yeah, there we go. I had ginger mixed in with the garlic. Don't forget the ginger. But the garlic keeps all the evil spirits away. If you notice my friend back there, he enjoys that too. But don't worry about him. That's my bodyguard. I'm so silly. Like I say, a happy cook makes happy food. Oh man, look. I wish you guys at home could just be right in this pan and just enjoy. This is like meditation to me. Okay, I'm silly. But anyway, this is great food. This is great food. There we go. A couple of more seconds with that. Now we're going to add the spinach. We're going to lay that all in there. Oh, yeah, this is going to be healthy. This is going to be so healthy. And remember, when you eat healthy, what do? When you eat healthy, what do? I know you're in your living room saying, you live longer. Of course. You know what I'm saying? And eating healthy is not about, I don't mean dieting. I don't mean eating carrots and celery. Eating healthy is just eating better. Not so much saturated fats. Just doing what it do. Look at this. We're
just about where we need to be, and if I had my plate, where's my plate? Ah! Ah!
Look at this. This is so beautiful, so amazing. Look at that. You can see the caramelization right there. You can see the brown sugar, but don't overcook it because it'll get a bitter taste. This is right where you want it, right there. Looks great, looks amazing, looks very healthy. We're gonna put that right here, just like this. Oh yeah, nice plate. Look at that. Oh yeah, this is great. I need some sake to go with this. We're gonna just lay that right on the plate. I always like oversized plates when I was in a restaurant. I think it makes the contrast. It just makes the plate look better. And what we have right here, well, let's just do this. Let's put that right in there just to give it a quick kick. We're just gonna give that a quick bit of heat right there. We can move this around like that, right there. Then we're gonna take this right from that. There we go. We're just gonna spoon a little bit of that right down the center, just like that. Let's just, oh yeah, nice, nice. Let's make a little line right there. Yeah, this is very healthy, very healthy, very healthy. Say hello to my little friend. Say hello to my little friend. I'm so silly. No, I just get happy when I'm making good food, having fun, giving you guys some type of education and just promoting eating healthy and living longer. You know, a happy cook makes happy food. Here we go, a finished product. Looks great. So here you go. We can do a lot more with it, but like I say, if you want it, we could add chicken, we could add shrimp, can add any type of seafood with this, but we're going straight with the vegetarian here. You got yellow green squash, you got bell peppers, you got onions, you got two types of bell peppers, you got onions, got garlic, got cilantro. The sauce was soy sauce, ginger, brown. You have a brown sugar top with that. Then what's healthier than a brown rice? Like I say, you can go with a basmati rice, a sushi rice, but there you go. You can get food like this brought to your house. I'll fly to your city, your state. But by the way, watch my YouTube videos, like and share them, pass them on. I love this stuff. I want to start this movement. Eat healthy, live longer. Eat healthy, live longer. Da, 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 da. A happy chef makes happy food. That's what it's all about. You can catch me at chriskegler@gmail, chriskegler@gmail.com. Until the next time I see you, promote world peace. Hang loose, baby. I'm out of here.